Hey YouTube, welcome to another unboxing video by Chad. So today, what have we been buying? I know I'm obsessed, but today we got something that we definitely needed, which is an Xbox controller in blue, baby. And you can't have a blue team without the red team. So I've currently got an Xbox S and my controllers are finally on the way out. I've got like 3 of them and I bought a new carbon black one a couple of years ago and I had it like 3 weeks and it broke. So we finally bought some new controllers. So let's unbox these and see what's up. So, as you know, I've been a massive Xbox fan since like the freaking dawn of time. Oh, look at that, it's fallen straight out. It's fallen straight out. As you can see, it is in this beautiful red color. The buttons just feel really soft and sleek, as they should do for an Xbox. It's got a beautiful white back, and it's actually gripped on the sides as well. So that's just really good for when you're gaming, that you can really feel that controller in your hands. It's quite lightweight as well, actually, which is good. Your standard buttons on there, so you've got your share button, as you would do, and obviously your button to switch your Xbox on. So that's that in red. Let's see what else do we get in this box. This box is a hot mess. Whoever put this box together, come on. So usual, you get yourself some Duracell batteries in there, which is great. I like to use long-lasting batteries, or even rechargeable batteries, or even those like rechargeable packs that you can get that sits basically in there, and they're quite good because you just put your controller on the stand at the end of the night, and then when you pick it up the next morning, it's charged and it's ready to go. So they're pretty good. Standard user manual there. That's just a quick start guide. Tells you how to put your battery in, tells you how to switch it on, and quite frankly, if you've got an Xbox, it's easy peasy lemon squeezy. It's also really good, actually. These controllers are really good because you can actually use them to control your Android phone because it's got Bluetooth. And if you have Game Pass like I do and you play PC games, sometimes you can use your controller as well. And recently, Xbox has been really good at making you be able to use your mouse to play certain games as well. So I've been really enjoying that element. So yeah, that's the red one there. That is just in... Girl, I can't read all that. I don't speak these mandarins. Like, this isn't meant for me. Okay, so that is the red controller. Let's unbox the blue one. You already know what's going to be in it, but let's just do it anyway, because that's what I said I was going to do. And we can take a look at that. So here we are. Oh, look at that. Do you know what? I'm actually quite excited about the blue one. Low-key really want the pink one as well, but that's just a whole nother story. I can't even get into this box. Here we go. The last one just popped open. Here we go. We've got to break the seal. We've got a sharp object here. Right, let's get into this. Let's turn that down for you and have a look at that. Oh, have a look at that beauty. So just like the red one, it's got a really nice grip to it. Feels really good in the hand. It's got these little coloured buttons here. I'm not sure what that's about, but I'll be interested to find out what that is. Obviously, it's got the colours on it, so I know what that's supposed to mean. But again, it just feels really good in the hand, really light. Just like the previous one, it comes with a AA battery. I've told you that I will be using my own rechargeable batteries and usual stuff that we've literally just seen in the other box. So I'm not going to see, you're not going to see anything new in here that you haven't seen before. Anyway, so that's it. I have got myself 2 new Xbox controllers. I'm a very happy bunny. Red team, blue team. Which team, which side are you on? Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much. Subscribe and have a great rest of your day.